Hello, I am Bailey Van Tassel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken wire cloche. Now, why do we even need cloches? This is for keeping pests out of the garden, and it's one of my favorite, very quick, easy DIYs that you can just throw together in a moment. So we get bunnies and rodents and all kinds of weird things going on in the garden, and having a little chicken wire cover on especially seedlings as they mature is a really easy way to just keep things you don't want out. The other thing is any moth or butterfly flying around that could lay eggs will be deterred by the chicken wire as well, so they can't land on your plants and lay eggs and then hatch caterpillars that eat all of your plants. So chicken wire cloche is the way to go. All you need is some chicken wire and some wire cutters. I got these from Garrett Wade. They are so amazing, easy to use, super strong. That's all you need. I'm just gonna use this to help create a shape for my cloche. You don't have to have this, but for me, it just makes it really easy. This is like one of those old glass jug things. So you can use anything you have around the house, like one of those things of oats, you know, an oat container would be perfect. So let's get started. Okay, we are just going to unroll our chicken wire. So chicken wire can be a little feisty sometimes. Be careful, and that's why I like to have something to sort of hold down my roll, but also to measure my cloche. So I'm gonna let this roll up just a touch so I can see where I need to make my cut marks. And I'm gonna go ahead and just cut at the base of my chicken wire so I know where to cut the rest. Honestly, the wire cutters are sort of a non-negotiable because nothing cuts through chicken wire like these do. Just see real quick. So easy. So we're just gonna go straight down this line. And I like to go in the center of this little chicken wire hexagon or whatever shape that is. And we're gonna go all the way down. Okay, once you have your chicken wire cut, you can set these aside, and you can actually even take this guy out. And what I'm gonna do is cut this in half, again, so that the top can close, because we kind of want it to be a little easy to take on and off. So you can decide based on what your plant is that you're covering, how tall you want your cloche. I'm basically just gonna cut it in half. There's a wire here that runs along the center, which this is about 12 inches. So I'm just gonna cut right above that wire to get this guy cut in half. So just a couple more cuts and then we'll be good to go. I wanna keep this wire intact so that I can make a cute little handle at the top of my cloche. So that's why I'm avoiding cutting solid wire. I'll show you that in just a second. So now we can actually make two cloches. Lord knows, the more cloche the better. Isn't that what they say? Okay, so all we're gonna do now is close this up, the chicken wire. I just like twist it together. There is no method to this madness. It's purely just madness. And we're gonna twist it around so that it stays shut. This is where the chicken wire situation is so perfect because it's really malleable and easy to twist around and stay put. So I'm just twisting these little loose guys. Okay, next step. We are literally just gonna scrunch the top together to make a cute little handle, and then we will form our little cloche so that critters cannot get in the top either. And that's it. How easy is that? Listen, it's not the prettiest thing you've ever seen, but it's functional and it's cheap and it's easy, and that's what I love. So we're gonna take this out into the garden and I'm gonna show you where I put mine.